Hi there, thanks so much for watching. Quick video, so don't skim or you miss out things. Enjoy. Start with adding all these ingredients in a bowl that is large enough so the milk won't spill. Microwave for 4 minutes on 50% power. In the meantime, pan on medium-high, add half tablespoons of butter. Crack in 1 large egg, then add 1 tablespoon of grilled bacon crumbles. You can usually find these crumbles in salad section in grocery store. Let's fry until the egg has some brown and crisp on the edges. Once the oatmeal done cooking, simply give it a stir to mix and let it sit for a couple of minutes while we finishing up our egg and bacon. Basically, you can cook the egg however you like. My choice is a sunny side up that has the top slightly cooked, so I cover the pan with a lid for the last minute. I would love to know how you like your egg cooked. Let me know in the comments. If quick, easy recipes for healthy, delicious food in short video format is your thing, I am your guy. A simple thumb up to support me and my channel. Thanks so much again for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.